Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add simple leather trimming to your garments. For this, these tools can come in handy, but the only essentials are a strip of leather, a needle, and a thread. Maybe perhaps also a measuring tape. For today's video, I'm gonna add the trim to my hood, but you can add it to any other item of clothing that you like. First, we'll start with measuring out the length of our trim. Here, the leather strip should match the length of the hem. I'm going to use the rear side of the leather, but how you do it is kind of up to you. We'll start by preparing the thread. Let's make a knot on one end of the thread, and then stick the other side of the thread through the eye of the needle. Start sewing on the edge of the hem. Here, a pair of pliers can come in handy since leather is a very dense material. Otherwise, you can also hole punch the leather to make it all a little bit easier for yourself. Once you've pulled the thread through, clip off the redundant thread at the knot so that it looks neat. Now start stitching along the hem. The stitching pattern should go forward, and you should leave gaps in between on each side. Make sure that the needle goes through both layers of leather on each side and through the cloth in the middle. To make things easier, you can use clamps to hold the leather in place, but this is not mandatory. If you've gotten to the end of your thread, make a knot beneath the leather so that it is not visible. Take a new piece of thread and make the first stitch only through the leather for a seamless transition. Once you've reached the end of the hem, don't make a knot or cut your thread. Instead, stitch your way back alongside the hem, filling in the gaps you've left in between the stitching. Stitch all the way back to the other side of the hem. And then, once you're done, make a knot and clip it off. And you're done! I hope this helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya!